And I invite you to take the space you feel well in, to inhabit the space you feel well in, to arrive at yourself. Use your hands. Don't necessarily touch your body because you want to touch what's inside. Observe the reactions of the inner. Support them friendly. Turn your hands. Stay centered in your heart, but stream through your body, move through your body, downwards, and continue moving downwards, and even more down. And at the same time, observe or just perceive what happens in your body. You go down, and deeper, and deeper, and your body just rejoices, feels better, becomes taller, breathes. Let go, relax, make a step, breathe. Let's repeat it one more time. Take time to arrive at yourself. Move through your body. Notice what this does to you and to your body. And let go. Okay, we are dealing with countercurrents all the time. We say it's so important to have countercurrents. So, what's more natural than that we go through the exercises in reversed order to finish this course? And for this, we just say hello to all four realms by addressing them via our bones. The upper leg says, through the upper leg, we say hello to the sense of balance. Through the knees, we say hello to the sense of movement. Through the calves, through the lower legs, we say hello to the sense of life. Through the feet, through feeling the feet, we say hello to the sense of touch. Hello. The O has a relationship to the thighs. So we do the O just from the heart horizontally. O. We go back to the heart, and the U has a relationship to the knees, and we walk forward while we perform an U forward. U. The U also has a relationship to the calves, and we just receive from what's coming from you to me, and I receive with this you. I receive you and walk back, feeling my calves. And then I just make an O around where I have arrived and feel my feet. How does that feel now? And then just let go, return to where you have arrived anyway, and then let go. Let's repeat it from the heart. We create an O, feeling our thighs And it brings us forward to our toes, but it's still standing, it wants to go forward. And the U, the upper arms, transform the U to a U. And you just follow, it goes further, 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 further. U. The lower arms open up and receive. They bring in what comes back, what comes from you, and bring it to your heart. And from your heart, you have just arrived again. You create this O around where you have arrived. At yourself together with you. Let go, the arms come back. Breathe and let the arms sink for a moment. And you do it two or three more times before we finish. And we can have, just as an attempt, these 4 words in mind. My spirit am I. And it's just a jumping board to your own words. When we do it with these words, maybe inwardly you hear another sentence, and then you do your sentence. Okay. My, the O. The elbows bring the arms in. Spirit. The lower arms receive, bring in. M. And then the O. I. And then come back. And I've told already so many aspects you can observe, but I think only one aspect is important, that in the end, just by itself, you have arrived in your feet, and through this in your heart. Just drive this can happen. Oh, my spirit, ooh, elbows. Lower arms, M. Receive it in your heart. I. How do you experience what you feel? And let go. And last time, and maybe we take the legs, the divisions of the legs a little bit into account also. The thighs, oh, my. Elbow, knees, spirit. Lower arms, lower legs, and from there into the hands, oh, I, feet. Breathe. Let go. And I would like to ask you to do it one more time without me speaking, your own speed, your own thoughts. And don't put anything into it now. You just do it. And that's the best way of doing it. Oh, you. You. Oh. And carefully move to where you can sit. And seemingly we haven't done much. But what does the resonance tell us? What do you perceive when you look into yourself now? When you look around in your body, how segmented do you experience it? Your belly, your upper body, your lower body, or how much is the feeling of your being a whole present? And does left and right play a big role now? Or is it more do you have another feeling of yourself now? And if you feel that the body, the central body, is has a sort of oneness, skin around it. What about your extremities? How are they connected with your body? And how far does the feeling of the body expand into the legs? And where do you say, there are the legs coming, and to this, that far, I have the feeling it's still body. And the arms the same. Huh?